Hi, I'm Shelley Doyal and I teach EQ8. We've gone up from EQ7 to EQ8 and it's a wonderful update. So if you haven't tried it, you really need to go and check it out. Some of the really neat new features is it's so much user-friendly. Everything is on the screen for you to see. You can go from work table to work table. There's thousands of more blocks that you can work with. There's just umpteen things that you can do with the new EQ8. If you see our screen here, it's just right up here. Everything is there for you, all of the buttons and the knowledge that you need. You can do applique, you can do custom setting quilts. You can design your own blocks. There's just so many wonderful, fun things that you can do in EQ8. So go ahead on the website and check it out. I think you'll really, really like the new EQ8.